everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix your eyeliner if you make a mistake. It's super easy to do, and I wanted to do a dedicated video. I've fixed my eyeliner in the past in other videos of mine, but I just wanted to do like a dedicated video on how to fix your eyeliner properly. Also, if you're interested in seeing this look, I'll link it down below. It's my 7 or 5 minute vacation look. I don't know how I'm going to call it yet. But yeah, look out for that video. If I already have it edited, I'm gonna link it down below. Yeah guys, without further ado, let's get started. Whoops, I already did my eyeliner. It's really annoying because I actually did it really well and I don't want to ruin it, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna mess it up. So I'm gonna mess up this one because it's a little bit more difficult for me to clean up. So I'm just gonna, let's say, get it too thick, okay? So something like this. I don't know if you guys can see very well, but as you can see, I messed it up. So what I'm gonna do is take a very thin brush, maybe something like this. This one is the Morphe M443 brush. And I'm gonna take some foundation. You can either take some concealer or some foundation. I recommend taking the same foundation that you've already used for your face. And like this, it's the exact same color and you can't really tell the difference. I'm gonna take a little bit of the foundation on my brush and I'm just gonna go over that line that I messed up. And I'm also gonna do the same thing on the other eye because you don't want to be able to see that difference. So even if I'm not correcting anything, I'm just gonna go right under the eyeliner and I'm just gonna add a tiny bit. Just like so. Okay, and also you want to use a bit of a full coverage foundation because otherwise it will not cover your eyeliner. If you have maybe like a darker concealer, that would be good too, but I'm too tan for my concealer right now and you would be able to see it too much. So I'm thinking if I have a darker concealer, maybe this one. I'm gonna try with this one, the L'Oreal Infallible one, because this one, it's too runny because it's not a very full coverage foundation. So we're gonna go in with this concealer. It's always better to go in with concealer, so my mistake. I'm gonna try and fix it. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. See, that covers it perfectly well. Okay. Just like so. Now that we have it on both sides, obviously you cannot leave it like this. You have to actually blend it in. So you can either take a brush like this or a fluffier brush, whatever you have on hand. So with this brush, I'm just gonna move closer so you guys can see. I'm just gonna blend it down a tiny bit. And same here. Blend it down because you don't want to be able to see that harsh line. Okay, just like so. It looks a bit weird, but trust the process. Okay, you can also use your finger if you want to blend it out, that's fine too. But make sure that you don't go over your eyeliner. So see, you can't really tell that we made a mistake, but it's still a bit of a different color. So I'm gonna take the same brush that I used before for my crease color, and I'm gonna use the same, actually I'm not even gonna go in to that same shade. I'm just gonna take the same brush I used before, and I'm just gonna go over that concealer very softly. Just like so. And if you removed some of your eyeliner, it's fine. The important thing is to make sure that there's no mistake or there's no eyeliner left like down here. So this eyeliner faded a little bit, but that's fine. We're just gonna take the eyeliner again and just go over it one more time, making sure that you can see it properly and that it's not faded. Just like so. And do the same on the other eye. I do have to warn you that once the eyeliner dries and you go back in with the eyeliner, it's a little bit harder to apply it. But if you use an eyeliner like this one, like the NYX one, this one right here, the brush is quite like strong and it's fine. I think we are done. Can you guys see like a major difference? I don't know if you can see on camera, but you can't really tell I made a mistake. So yeah, if I make a mistake, which it happens like very softly, I was gonna say, very often, I always mess up my eyeliner. Use some concealer. This one I recommend it. It's incredible for fixing mistakes, from L'Oreal, the infallible one, because it's matte and it's like super full coverage. So yeah, I recommend this one. And then just use a brush to apply it and then make sure you blend it in. And then the last step, which I actually forgot, that make sure you set it with the same shade that you used in your crease. So like this, it doesn't go like runny or weird. You can also use some loose highlighter if you wanna use loose highlighter. Oh my god, some loose powder, translucent powder, if you wanna set it under your eyes, but that's up to you. I usually just take the same eyeshadow that I used in my crease and just like add it to the end, just like so. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. It was a short one, but I thought I should share it with you guys in case you're like me and you make a lot of mistakes. And yeah, I'm like all over the place and I'm a mess, so I always mess up. I'm constantly like dropping things. I always mess up my eyeliner. So, you know, if you're like me, I thought I should do this video for you guys. So I hope it's helpful and I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel please, and ring the notifications bell. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Lots of kisses and take good care of yourself. Bye!